crafty friends, Jen Cassell here. I'm back with another sneak peek from the April release over at Scrap Diva Designs. So cute, you guys. So, before we get started, here is the website and all of the info on the back. Make sure to use that hashtag Scrap Diva Designs for some amazing inspiration. And as always, if I've inspired you in any way, please feel free to use my coupon code GEN10 to save at the shop. I super appreciate everyone who uses my coupon code and affiliate link. I do get a small kickback and it helps me continue to create free content for you guys. So let's dive in. Included with this release, we've got a few baking dies. I have 3 of them here. We're going to be going over the mixer mini album, the kitchen mixer set, and the memory decks recipe stamp and die set. These mini mixers are adorable. So the mini album is just a larger version of the set. The mini album, you're getting one that's, I would say, let me see. So you've got about 5.5 by 5.5 for the large one, and then your smaller ones, they're going to range from about 2 to 3 inches or so. I have examples of all of them. We're also going to be going over the memory decks that is coming out. My memory decks isn't quite finished. It still needs a little work, so I'll save that till last. But I did want to show you because I did use one of those mixers on it, and well, that's really cute. You'll see. So for this one, I did a loaded envelope, but I flipped it on its side. So this is, we're going to call it a horizontal loaded envelope. And then I used this gorgeous mixer to decorate my front. So when I first started this project, I was thinking, gosh, I don't think we have any like baking word dies yet. And I found a couple here and there when I was going through my stash, but don't worry, we've got one on the way. And this one I saw that I thought was kind of cute. This is actually from last year's Valentine's words. And I love the whole sprinkled with love sentiment. So I ended up going crazy with the sprinkles. I just drew it into the entire project. So you're going to see these fun sprinkles that I did at the top and along the top of the mixing bowl throughout the entire project. And I just love how it turned out. It's so stinking cute. And of course, since we were following along with that whole sprinkles theme, I found this little mini bow. This is actually, I used Maggie Holmes Garden Party for most of this, but the sprinkle paper is actually Be Valiant from Poppy and Pear. But I just thought the whole thing paired really, really beautifully together. I did a little floral cluster down here. The mini album has several different components to it. So you get a mixing bowl, you get some of these like bars that I used up here. There's also a heart that I didn't feature on this. It's got like a couple different layers for knobs, and it's like I said, with the set, it's the exact same thing in smaller form. You even get all of these littles with it. So really, really cool. But I just popped this mixing bowl up. I cut it a couple of times and popped it up so it really came to life on the front. Just so cute. So inside this first pocket, I pulled out the charcuterie board set to do these. Now this is going to be the medium mixer that you see on it. I mean, how stinking cute with those little sprinkles. Adorable. The word is from the collection. This whole thing is popped up on a rosette, and I did some fun eyelash trim in there. Just really, really cute. And then this one, and I mean, let's just take a moment to appreciate all of that fun trim that's on this. Adorable. I love it. This whole thing is just so luscious. So there's this one right here. And once again, I used a charcuterie board. I talked about that scribble heart and how it's not just for St. Pat's. Cut that off. You've got a great layering piece. This is the mini mixer on this. I mean, so stinking. And this mini mixer, so this one measures, it's about 2 inches across and then 2 inches high. I mean, so cute. The suite is from the B words that came out last year. I've actually been playing with some bee theme for this release, and I saw it in there. I was like, oh, that could be really cute for the whole baking thing too. These are Scrap Diva dies as well. This is the utensils set. I did a bow down here. Of course, the baking mitt is in the back. Just really cute. Can you tell I've been working with some foam today? It's still on my desk. The Memory Decks recipe stamp and die set. So I did mine a little differently, but I wanted to show you what this Memory Decks looks like when you just cut it out. Because I did this. I was originally going to do just like a normal Memory Decks. You'll see what I did. But it's fun because this flips open, and inside you can put your recipe stamp on the interior. Really cute. And it's just a good basic Memory Deck set. However, lately, like I said, I have the sprinkle thing going on for this set. So I wanted to do like a little like pocket Memory Decks card. And then I wanted to continue with that whole sprinkles theme. And I was thinking, this is a pocket in and of itself. If you just sew around it, you've got yourself like an entire shaker piece. So I did that. I essentially cut it twice out of vinyl, and excuse my stitching. I'm not the best stitcher, but I tried. And like I said, this has a little bit of work to do. I want to figure some things out on this. So it's not 100%. I ended up like reinforcing the sides because I am going to put this little recipe card on a charcuterie board in here. And I thought that would be kind of cute. But I needed to kind of expand those sides a little bit. So I played with this design idea. And I love it. It's so cute, so sprinkly, so fun. And then this is the largest mixer. So this one, your largest, is going to be about 2.5. Actually 3. Yeah. 3x3 is your largest mixer in this. And then I used the ruffle die set in the back to create my layering piece. This recipe is from the Oven mini album. And then I just went in with a few flowers. I even added the sprinkles to the sticker from the collection. I mean, it's just so cute. So what's also cool about these is where you see that I have the marker, like where I drew the highlights on it, those are actually embossed right into the die set. So I thought that was kind of cool. But I mean, how cute is this? So I'll have this like completely finished by the time release day rolls around, which is April 8th. Set your alarm clocks. You won't want to miss out. I have a feeling there's quite a few dies that are going to sell out from this because, ooh, are they cute? Cute. So, don't forget to head on over to the shop. Check out the new site. It looks amazing. And if you've been inspired, please feel free to use my coupon code GEN10 to save at the shop. When release comes, I will update the description box with direct links to all of the dies used. And if you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more crafty content. I'll see you in the next crafty video. Bye.